What's going on, guys? Samuel Bouret here with Adorama TV, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes of a fine art editorial shoot using just a couple of lights. Let's go shoot. The vision for this shoot starts with the styling. The gown you're seeing actually belongs to my friend and model Jules. It's structured, sculptural, and timeless. Let's check in with Gloria and see how makeup is coming along. All right, our model is ready. Let's shoot. I'm using my Canon R5 with the RF 28 to 70mm f2.0 lens. It gives me beautiful compression, clarity, and depth, perfect for fine art editorial work. For this session, I challenged myself creatively and technically by limiting the setup to no more than 2 lights. I went with the Flashpoint XPLOR 600 Pro 2, paired with a large umbrella with diffusion. My goal was to create soft, directional light that shapes her features while enhancing the gown's natural form and texture. To trigger my light, I used the new Flashpoint R2 Nano Pro. One of the biggest challenges in this studio was the low ceiling height. I needed enough distance between the light and the model to get a wide, even spread while still keeping the Savage Universal Pure White backdrop properly exposed. After a few quick tests and height adjustments, I found the perfect balance. Because the light was positioned slightly above her, posing became essential. I directed Jules to angle her face toward the light, elongate her body, and flow through elegant sculptural poses that echoed the gown's design. When I noticed the shadows on her face were getting too dark, so I added a V-flat whirl V-flat on that side. Then I positioned an XPLOR 400 Pro 2 aimed at the white side of the V-flat to bounce clean, soft light back into her face, adjusting the power until the exposure felt just right. With styling, lighting, and mood all aligned, it was time to shoot. My camera settings were 1/200 at f5 ISO 200. All right, guys, that's a wrap on the fine art editorial shoot. It's always amazing to see how simple lighting setup could transform a whole scene into something so polished, dramatic, and beautiful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you next time.